Hello everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see about how to add delivery agent to an shipment or job in Fresa application. So initially you needed to log into the system, and after your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now open the shipment or job of which you are going to add delivery agent. If it is a current active shipment or job, then you can open it directly. Now go to organization. Here we have to choose the organization type as delivery agent and then click on add organization button. Now choose the delivery agent name. After filling the details, click on save button. Now the delivery agent has been added to your shipment or job. So this is how you can add delivery agent to a shipment or job in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.